Hello everyone, my name is Sviatoslav and I improve my eyesight naturally. In this video, I want to share with you healing eye exercises to refresh tired eyes. Even if you do LASIK surgery, your vision will improve for a while, but over time, after the operation, your vision will still worsen. Because the main problem of eye muscle strain has not been solved. A person still has bad habits of poor vision and also keeps the phone close to his eyes, overstraining his eyes and not giving them a rest. With myopia and with any other diseases, there is a muscle tension. This muscle tension is not relieved by surgery. Muscle tension acts further, and sooner or later, for someone faster, for someone later, it can lead to retinal detachment. And after an operation, there is nothing to restore eye muscle. Now I will tell you what to do and give you two very simple and effective healing exercises. The first exercise, no matter how strange it may seem to you, soft blinks. The fact is that a tense eye practically doesn't blink, that it stays for a very long time without blinking. It needs to get used to blinking. Firstly, blinking relieves tension in the eye muscles. Secondly, the eye is cleaned of various dust, dirt and bacteria, and the eye fluids themselves act in such a way that they not only clean and brush away bacteria from the eyes, like wipers clean microbes, but also suppress pathogenic microflora. When the eye is wetted with liquid, it doesn't dry out and sees better. A small liquid layer significantly improves vision. You probably notice if, for example, plexiglass is in scratches, but if you put water on it, it will again become transparent. Or you probably notice a stone in the water you found in the sea. A stone is also bright and shiny, but as soon as it dries out, it becomes faded. Because this shiny effect also gives a blinking. You need to learn to blink every second to maintain and improve your vision. Modern people, when looking at the phone, look at the computer, their eyes stick in one position and don't blink. It strains the eyes and leads to retinal fatigue. Blinking works better when the eye is actively looking near and far. I will tell you blinking relaxing eye exercises. Blinking eye exercises. First, you will learn to blink. You look at what you are doing. We looked to the right, blink, to the left, blink. Looked up and blink. Second exercise, for example, you walk down the street and blink 100 times with each step. Blink for each breath. One blink for inhale and one for each exhale. 50 to 100 times. One of the most important skills is to look where the tip of your nose is looking. First, you turn your nose and look there. And this makes vision easier. It makes vision more relaxed. You need to learn not to pump up the eye muscle, but you need to learn how to relax and stretch eye muscle, because it is a relaxation of the eyes that leads to clear vision. Be sure to look along the visual trajectory and blink. As soon as you accustom your eyes to blinking, your eyes will stop straining because you will remove constant tension. Further, if you have myopic eyes, the tension will not grow further and gradually, on the contrary, will disappear and begin to recover. Subscribe to my channel, ask questions in the comments, hit like and check my next video.